What's up, guys? It's Tyler. Today we have a pretty exciting day. We're out here in Galveston, Texas. We're about to leave to go do some shopping, and then around noon we're gonna come back and we're gonna get on a cruise ship. Not that one right there, but it's behind it. And I'm gonna film while we go shopping. Probably be boring. You might not see it. And then if you don't see it, I'll catch back up with y'all once we're on the cruise ship. So I'll see you in a little bit. What's up, guys? I'm back. Sorry it's a little windy out here. I don't know if you can hear that. But we are on the cruise ship. It's a little after 4 o'clock now. We have finally taken off. We are on our way to Cozumel, Mexico. And we are about to go get our luggage. It has been delivered to my parents' room. My sister is down there. And that's about it. That's all that's going on right now. Here after a while, I think I'll take you on a tour, take you around the ship, and we'll see what's going on. But, alright, we're gonna go down and get our luggage. I'll meet you there. Alright, guys, so, sorry I didn't get back to you when I got my luggage. I didn't realize where my phone was at. It died on the way down there to the room. But I'm back now. I just got some really good shots of the boat. I'm gonna put those in a little montage for you. And sorry about not really being any content today. Wednesday, we will be in Mexico. I'm gonna try and vlog the whole day. It should be a lot more interesting than just me talking, me on the boat. So, nothing's really going on right now, and I'm gonna play that montage for you right now. Dope, right? It's pretty cool. Not the biggest ship we've been on, but it's pretty nice. And there's really nothing going on today. We are just on the boat. So I'm gonna go back downstairs into my stateroom, and I'm gonna start unpacking my bag, and I will see y'all there. Alright, back here in the room now. As you can see, here's our beds. We got 2 beds, side tables. There's a window, 2 windows right out here. You can see just kind of going along. There's nothing out there right now. We're too far away. And over here we got our TV. Just the channel shows where we're going. Shows we're heading down to Mexico and the speed or whatever. Got these cabinets, desk, do your makeup, homework, whatever. Got our closet over here. You can see Kirsten, who's behind the camera. Her clothes are in there. Suitcases, shoes. And not a whole lot going on in there. Then right in here, we have our bathroom. Got the shower, there's a toilet, mirror, everything. Pretty small. Alright, so that's about all for the room. There's just some drawers, getting ready to put my clothes away. And, alright, might as well get to it. Got my suitcase here. First, bathroom stuff. Got some Axe body wash, deodorant, acne stuff. Gotta have the lotion. Wintertime, got that dry skin. Put this all in here. Put this in shower. That fell. I'm not worried about picking that up right now. Leave that problem for later. Zip that back up. Got the Vans. No, you can't go nowhere with just 1 pair of Vans. Had to have 2. Go ahead and set those under there. Let's see. They really threw my luggage around, bringing down to the ship. Everything is shifted. Got the chuckas. Got some lunars. I forgot I even packed these. Alright. Brush, that'll go in the bathroom. Okay, got sweater here. North Face hoodie, so you can hang those up. And you can use all the hangers.
Sorry.
So that's cool. We'll just put these in a drawer. This one will work. Today's kind of a boring vlog. We haven't really done anything. Just kind of got on the ship. Getting ready to go eat here in a minute. We'll film that. Try and get this done quick. Pants in here too. Whatever. I'm not messing with that. Jeans. Alright, that's it in that drawer. Let's see. It's just my New Balance bag. That's just got my homework and a few other things in there. Not really important. Put these shirts in here. Drove down a couple days in advance, so I'm going to leave the dirty clothes from those days in there. Go ahead and toss my underwear and socks in there too. Alright, I think that's all I got to put away. Whatever, I'm just going to see if this will fit under the bed. Should have brought a smaller suitcase. Throw this in the bathroom. It'll be fine right there. Alright, guess that's all. It's off of the room. We're gonna go get something to eat, I guess. I'll see y'all there. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. I decided not to vlog in the dining room just because it was too loud, full of people. Same with the rest of the ship. We went and did some walking. Did some other things and it was just loud and I decided just to wait. But I got something really exciting to show y'all. I made a big purchase. You already saw it. It's the title. And I guess I'll just go ahead and show y'all. I bought a boat. You ready? Sick, ain't it? Yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. I'm now a proud owner of a Royal Caribbean ship. It's pretty exciting. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and set this over here so I can wake up and see it in the morning, you know. Pretty happy about it. So, sorry for the boring vlog today. There just wasn't a whole lot going on. Wednesday, when we are in Mexico, so it's 2 days from now, I'll vlog the whole day, let y'all see what's going on. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more exciting. And like that's about it. If you like this video, you want to see more, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.